In today's video, we're going to be going from this dashboard to this. Hi guys, it's Tim from Advancing Car Technologies, and today we are working on a Volkswagen Transporter T6. It's on a 66 plate and we've done a whole host of upgrades to it, but the main one we're going to be going over now is a really cool retrofit that we really enjoy doing. It's to do with the dashboard, and we currently have fitted here the standard non-comfort dash. So you get your gear shift over here, and then you've got a couple of pockets over here and your infotainment up there. So we are going to be removing this and fitting what is called the comfort dash, which gives you a few more options in terms of storage. So you've got a top tray with some cup holders in, you've got a bottle holder, and you've got another tray that you can put stuff in. This vehicle is currently rocking the Moonstone Grey, which is sort of a very light grey effect with a dark grey matte effect around the top, and you'll see it a bit more once it's all done in the next video, or sorry, in the last part of this video. So we're going to remove all of this interior. So we've got to remove all the bottom section from over here to over there, so that we can then pull out this central section and install it with the AC pipe so that it gets the bottle cooler as well. This retrofit does come in a couple of different colour options depending on the vehicle spec or whatever you want. So quite a common one as well is Titan Black, which is a darker grey lower trim, and then a nice gloss black top part, which we'll go over later. So what we'll do is we'll skip forward, show you a couple of the parts that we're going to be fitting, and then after that we'll show you it all done. Right, so just quickly, we're going to go over some of the parts, the main parts that we're using for this Comfort Dash installation, and Richard's just going to quickly pick up some of the bits. So this is the main centre console for the Comfort Dash that houses the top panel, the drinks drawer, and then the bottle holder. So it's the right-hand drive version in the Moonstone or Moonrock Grey, whatever we want to call it. Next up, we're going to move over to the drinks holder. Comes with its nice little trays and all that sort of stuff, so you can hold your drinks and a few little odd bits. This is the bottle cooler. So if you've got a bottle of water, this is going to be linked up to an AC pipe which connects into just here. That's already installed in the vehicle because it's a bit of a pain to get it in, so we've done that already. And then this is the top trim here, where we've already removed the cigarette lighter from the existing trim console. We've also fitted the USB dummy blank in there because this car doesn't need one, and then we've got nice little tray and mat going in there. So yeah, so those are all the bits. As I said, we've got some of the parts which are already fitted in the vehicle. I might be able to just show you here. One of them is this aircon pipe, which you might just be able to see if I just turn the light on quickly. There we go. And then this connects to the AC pipe work that's just behind here. Okay, so skip forward. We have now completed the genuine Volkswagen T6 Comfort Dash. So as mentioned, we're using all genuine Volkswagen equipment, and we have gone from the single central console to this much more functional, almost like a dual system, triple system Comfort Dash. So with Richard's help, I'm just going to quickly go over some of the features that we have now gained. So as you'll remember, we just had a very small pocket here, and there was another pocket here. I'm just going to flip the camera around to a bit of a better angle so you can see where we're at. So first and foremost, we have got a new top panel that nice and neatly comes down. I forgot to mention we're all in Moonstone or Moonrock Grey, whatever it's called, and this has got the new top panel. We've got the 12-volt cigarette lighter. If you have USB or you need an extra USB, then we can fit it, but the kit is standard, comes with the blank there just to fill that gap. Comes with your mat, so it's all as per factory. We've then got the top compartment, which is sort of like a drinks holder. So you've got two drinks holders, little cubby hole here for like pens and coins and all that sort of stuff, and then another tray just at the back there. We've then got the drinks bottle holder, so you could put a bottle of wine in there, you could put a water bottle in there, but also we've also got an inlet that's just here. I don't know if the camera can see it, but it's all connected up to the AC system. So when the AC system is on, it's going to be blowing cold air, or as cold as it can get, into this compartment. But we've gone one step further. The customer didn't know we were going to do this, but we thought we may as well, seeing as we were doing it. And we have fitted the longer pipe for the AC unit to go all behind the scenes here. We have got another video on how to do this yourself, so you can watch that and I'll tag it up in the video. But we've done the AC outlet here, so the pipe now extends around to here. So if you've got cans of drink or chocolate bars or something that just needs to keep cool, as well as your water bottle down here, then this will now be a sort of a cooled compartment, which is pretty cool. And you can turn that on and off just by twizzling the little dial here. So Volkswagen T6, we've converted it from a standard dashboard to the comfort dashboard. We've gone through all the process of how it all goes together on another video that Richard has filmed with my help, or I've filmed with Richard's help even, and we'll post that up on our YouTube channel as well. If you do enjoy these videos, let us know what sort of videos you want in the future, any other retrofits we can keep in mind, and we'll always try and do it if we've got the time to be able to. So this is the Comfort Dash T6. If you need one, get in touch with us.